Hi, I'm Kate, and this is a quick review of the Method Bathroom Surface Cleaner. So the reason why I chose this bathroom cleaner is because with a lot of other products I quickly get a headache, whereas I don't when I use this one. And I really love the smell. So this one is a eucalyptus mint smell. It also comes in a nice big bottle, so it lasts for a really good amount of time, and you can use it on all sorts of different surfaces. So I'm going to show you now cleaning the wooden door. There are a few grubby marks by the handle, and it just comes off really easily in a few wipes. It smells really nice too, and it doesn't leave any visible residue. I also use it on the glass in the shower. So as you can see here, there's a bit of dirt, and it just comes off really easily with a few wipes, and it doesn't leave a streaky residue, which is fantastic. So overall, I love the smell. I can use it on multiple different surfaces. It doesn't leave a residue, and there's a lot of product in the bottle, so it lasts a great amount of time. Those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.